To edit the home screens, all you need to do is, once the screen is fully initialized, just hold your finger on any of the bottom row. In this tractor, because it hasn't been changed, they've all been set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is default from factory. Once you held down for roughly 5 seconds, maybe a little bit longer, it will say, would you like to enter edit screen layout mode? And yes. Once you do that, it brings all of it back up in the same configuration, but obviously you do not see the graphics for what the actual tractor is displaying. All you see is what it is, effectively, at least a name of what it is. On the left hand side, obviously you'd have seen this before, you would have seen that you had a lot of information on there. This is stuff that stays with your screen the whole time, whether or not you're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 or 7. You can add things to here and you can scroll up and down. Obviously, if you want to remove something from here, you just tap the icon for the bin and it's gone. If you want to add something, obviously, if we're on this screen, let's see if we can find a screen that's a little less busy. We'll use this screen for now. So it's just a universal terminal, Isobus. On here, you tap on the plus icon, and the same for these icons down here. You look for what you want to have on there. For example, engine hours, and that will go onto there. A lot of them will just be in these single slots. So if you wanted to pick spools, obviously you got front 1 and 2, and then you got rear 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4 spool machine with 2 mid mounts. You pick 1, tractor 2. Obviously you can do everything along the lines of precision farming, so average fuel, average engine power, average working rate, everything like that, all can be configured on there. And once you're finished, you just simply press the X icon. But before we do that, in fact, I'm just going to again tap on here, and you can change the name of any of these. So because I'll put it back to the Isobus, I'm going to put it to Isobus and apply. If you want to move the screens round, you simply just drag and hold, and that will now move it to a different page, so bring it back up. If you click the X, it will save, and there you go. Isobus. The only things we put in there, obviously if you wanted to put a camera in there, back on there, you just simply find the camera on here. Actually, in fact, it's not on there, it's right there. And there's multiple different options for the size. 1 by 3 is referring to 1 left to right and 3 down. So that then produces that. Obviously, if we got rid of this one here, we'd have the opportunity to do a 1 by 6. Now, I'm not sure actually how that would turn up on the screen, but let's have a look. Because it's already in use, it doesn't give you a second one, and truth be told, it's kind of wasted space to put anything more than a square size. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment. We've got a new goal. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, and now we're going to hit 5,000 in the years to come. So if you like our content and want to see more of all the tractors we have here, join us and yeah, come back. Yeah, do that.